I'm Alan Davidson. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com, and I'm an expert in somatic coaching. And then the metal is the spiritual alchemy. It's the gathering of all the elements that we've worked with, all the elements in the earth, water, fire, sun, and the alchemical change that takes place when we transform those raw elements into pure gold. So that's the essence of metal, is scooping up those energies and transforming it into spiritual brilliance. So those are what I'm naming and thinking of as I'm working through. So there's an engagement at an emotional level. There is the concentration on a physical level. One of the things I've always loved about Tai Chi is that if I am thinking about my day, I forget where I am in the form and I have to stop, remember where I'm at, and start over. So there's no dual tracks here of thinking about the dry cleaners and dinner and that sort of thing, and being able to stay with the sensation of moving.